8 times 2, 6. Take away 2. 6. Okay, you said that. Alright. Are we supposed to be writing this?
Yeah.
Oh, how many times do 8 go on 8? I just said that.
Okay, so someone says 4. What about you, Reginald? Do you agree or disagree?
0. Alright, disagree. Agree or disagree? Okay, how many times can 2 go on 8? Look, count by 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. This one, 4, right? And then 4 times 2. And then you see how many times 2 can go into this number. Hold it up.
Well, no. You look here, right? You look and see. You got your 8. Then you bring down your 1. Can 2 go into that 1 there?
No.
Okay, so what should that be? If it can't go into it, 1, how many times can it go into it? 0 times, right? So, right? Did you share that amongst your group? Okay, so do that for me. Okay? So, you guys, with this group here, when we have the problem, 816 divided by 2, how would you solve that problem? Who was our group captain from this? Okay, so start us off, Captain. How would we go about to solve this problem? Can't hear you. Next group, I'm coming to you next. Be ready. Okay. You brought down your 1. Did you bring down your 1? Let's see. Which step are you on? Okay. So now you look at what do you do there?
Oh, you do 10 times 2?
Not 10 times 2.
1 times 2.
Not 1 times 2, because 1 would be too much, right? So, if it can't go into it, what number would work? 0. 0 would be the only number to work, right? So plug in your 0 and see what happens. So plug in your 0 because you're saying 2 can go into that 1 0 times, right? So put your 0 up top. Right, like that. Good job. And then you multiply. 2 times 0 is what?
0.
Okay, you guys finish that out, and I'll be back around. Okay, who was the captain from this table? Angelica, do you feel like speaking for your team today? Okay. Who would you like to elect since you're not feeling well or you don't want to do it, who would you like to take your place today? Alea, okay. So Alea, we're electing you as being captain of your group, okay? So we got the problem, 816 divided by 2. So let's hear some conversations about how would we solve it. Do you agree with that? Do you agree?
I'm trying to figure out right now.
Huh?
I'm trying to figure it out right now.
Okay, so your member, he's trying to figure out what to write, so help him.
go back up, and then you bring down your 1, and you go back up 2 times 2 divided by 1 is you can't do that. So
Okay, she's saying that you can do it. So how can you?
keep like you got 2 fingers. Can you 2
It's 2.
no?
It's
We're dividing.
2 divided by 1 is 2.
Mm-mm. But we're looking at it opposite. Can 2 go into 1?
No.
It can't. So we would have a what up here?
A 0?
A 0, right? Because 2 can't go into 1. So your 0 should be what? Up top. Good job.
Then you multiply.
Right. You have to. Your next step is multiply.
2 divided by
2 times 0.
2.
Right. 2 times 0. Good job, Angelica.
That's 0, so you put your 0. That's good.
Underneath your 1. Then your next, you're going to what? Subtract. Uh-huh.
Equal 1.
There you go.
Now you go back.
Uh-huh.
That's a 6.
This group coming to you guys next. So have your stuff in
That's
order.
6.
That is a 6. Now you go back and you divide 2 to 16. That's 8 times. So you
Right.
put your 8.
Is that right, Jordan? You awfully quiet?
You put
You
your
and Stephanie?
You put your 8 at the top of that 6. Now you how many times?
So I think group 1 and 2, I guess you're done. Group 1 and 2, once you finish, put your head down.
Now you multiply how many times 2 will go to 8?
Set. You done?
4 times. So you put your 4 right there underneath your 8. Now you subtract it. So 6 minus 4 is that's 2. So that's 1. So you remainder 12.
Agree with you all except for this last step. That's a 6, right?
Yes.
How many times can 2 go into 16?
6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14.
Mm-hmm.
14, 16.
16. So how many is that?
8.
8. So,
The 8's right there.
okay. So what you got down here?
It's a 4.
Why do you have a 4 there?
It's because
You have to multiply,
you have to
remember?
multiply.
8 times 2.
It's 4.
8 times 2 is what?
No, you could go
Uh-uh.
8 times 2 is
16.
Oh, I'm dividing.
Oh.
That's why.
Mm-hmm.
That's 16.
Remainder 8.
Now it's 0.
Now you should have a remainder of what?
0.
Not 8.
0 because you don't have any more numbers to bring down. So you don't have any more numbers to bring down.
Right.
So that's not a remainder.
So what's my answer?
408.
What did you get? 408. Good. It's not a remainder. What did you get? 408. Good. 408.